Hi, and thank you for joining us. I'm Lynn from L&J Goods. Every year, JR and I offer the opportunity for you to have a little tour of our Christmas cottage. This year, in addition to some of our vintage collections, I've added a lot of white and neutral decor. For the past few months, I've been sharing project tutorials with you during our live streams on Mondays and Wednesdays. All of those projects I've decided to bring right into our cottage and use them as part of our Christmas decor this year. I've added a little bit of a surprise for JR. We have a spare bedroom. I decked out that room with all of our favorite decorations from the 50s and 60s. As this video ends, you'll hear the sounds of our local a cappella choir and the second grade glee club.
My only wish. I don't need a perfect snowman, and I don't need the bells and boughs, but I'll be home for you. I'll be home for you, and I'll be home for you. I'll be home for you. Look at all the Christmas lights, how they paint this town in colors, but they hold nothing next to you, 'cause you're shining like no other. Ooh, I don't want what's wrapped in paper. No, I don't long for gifts of gold, but I'll be home for you. Oh, I'll be home for you. And I'll be home for you. I'll be home for you. Following the stars that lead me straight to you, And though this long December night, only you can pull me through. Nothing wrong with cheers and carols. Oh, nothing wrong with sleigh bells in the snow. But I'll be home for you. Oh, I'll be home for you. Ooh, I'll be home for you. There is nothing else I wish for. Won't you make my dream come true? Let's not wait another year. Make me wish you were here. I'll be home for you. Everything is calm, now it's midnight. I'm still hanging round in a house that's filled with lights, walking through a midnight wonderland. The wise man keeping watch, now it's midnight, and though it's cold outside, we're staying warm, and the star will always shine. It's the season for all time, walking in our midnight wonderland. The fuss and hustle of yesterday's gone. Now let us focus on the holidays, having fun, coming together with the family and friends. A gift that's heaven sent, it's heaven sent to you and me. Now the wise man keeping watch while it's midnight, and though it's cold outside, we're staying warm, and the star will always shine. It's the season for all times, walking in our midnight wonderland. Everything is calm, now it's midnight. Everybody's sleeping, all is peace, and I'm still hanging round in a house that's filled with lights,
We love our community that supports us here in Medina, New York, and also our online community. We appreciate you so much. Our wish for you is that you can feel the true meaning of Christmas, the gift of Jesus, of light and hope, from JR and I, from Megan and all of our L&J Goods family. We appreciate you, we love you, and we wish you a very Merry Christmas.